Sometimes launching the Roblox player doesn't work and it shows you an error called Initializing Device before it crashes. If this is happening to you, there are a number of things that we can do to try and fix it. Before we get into the tutorial though, feel free to like and subscribe and leave us a thanks or a comment if this helps you out. Now let's do this. First and foremost, we want to check to see that our Windows is up to date. So we can search for settings and then open that up here. And then if we scroll all the way down where it says Windows Update, we can click that and make sure that it says you're up to date. You can also check for updates up here, and then it's going to tell you whether or not you have updates available. And then you can press Install All and install and download those updates so that your computer is all up to date. If that doesn't work, the next thing we want to try is disabling our antivirus software. So if we go to Windows Security, and we go ahead and click on that, and then we select Virus and Threat Protection. After that, we can scroll down to where it says Virus and Threat Protection Settings. We can click Manage Settings, and then you want to turn off real-time protection. It's going to ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You say yes. And then I want you to try relaunching Roblox to see if that initializing device error still pops up. If it doesn't, then every time you play Roblox, you're going to want to turn off your virus and threat protection settings. But if it still pops up, then make sure that you turn back on real-time protection, because this does actually prevent viruses from infiltrating your computer. Another option you may want to try is resetting your router. So your internet may be the issue, which means if you reset your router, it should be fixed when it comes back online. The next thing you can try is uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. So if we go to our settings once again, and then we click on apps and then click install the apps, and we want to search for Roblox. Once you find Roblox, all you want to do is click the three dots and then click uninstall for every single item. So if you have Roblox, Roblox Player, and Roblox Studio, I'll want to click uninstall for all of these three. And then after those are uninstalled from your computer, you can go to the Microsoft Store and then install Roblox once again. Or you can also go to the Roblox website and install Roblox from there. The next method we want to try is repairing the files. So then if we right click on the Windows Start button and we select Run, that'll open up this little tab here. So we want to do %, local app data, %, and then click OK. After that, that's going to open up this page here that shows you all of the local app data that you have. You're going to want to scroll down to where it says Roblox. And then once you find Roblox, you select Control A to select all of it. And then you click the delete button to make sure that that's all deleted. Now, after you have deleted those files, you're going to want to go to roblox.com and then download Roblox once again to make sure that you get all of those files right back. If you've tried all those methods and Roblox is still stuck on the initializing device screen before it crashes, then you want to go to your settings here and then click System. And then you want to scroll down to where it says Recovery. After that, the recovery options you can click are to reset your PC. And then you'll want to select the option that says Keep My Files. Then you want to select the option that says Local Reinstall. And then you want to click Next. And then you'll see this final screen to where it says Reset. Resetting will change the settings back to your defaults. It'll keep your personal files and it'll reinstall Windows from this device, but it will remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC. So anything that you have download, you'll have to re-download if you try using this method. And that's all the fixes we have. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave us a thanks or a comment if this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.